This took 30 seconds. This took like 45 seconds. Let's do the same. Delete default cube, delete the lamp. Let's press N to bring up the side panel into polygon. Let's go into Traffiq. Let's expand this and let's find a nice car. I feel like the Beetle would be good, but let's go with the Shelby Cobra. Random color. I do want a bit of a blue maybe. Oh, baby blue. Why not? Something like that. Okay. It's bright yellow, which is fine. Let's come over into the render settings, EV cycles. Change that to a GPU, 32 samples. Let's go 128 samples. Come over into rendered settings, and we should have something like that. Bland, that's fine. Let's jump over into shading. Let's go into the world tab, Shift A, search, and we're going to type in sky texture, and click and drag and pump that one into there. Let's rotate the sun by about 45 degrees. Lovely jubblies. Let's increase this into the render tab. It is looking nice, however it's a little bit blown out, so let's come over into the render settings, into film. Let's go 0.1. Lovely jubblies. Back into layout, Shift A to add in a plane. Let's scale that puppy up. Let's come over into the Botaniq add-on, spawn asset, and nope. Let's come over here into the scatter. Let's do something different. European meadow, cut, decorative grass with flowers. Let's go with these flowers, and okay. Control A and apply the scale, just make sure that's all good. Let's find a nice camera angle, something like this. But actually what we might do is let's select the car and we'll go into pose mode. Let's go into and convert to editable. And then now we should be able to go into pose mode. Let's select this to rotate the wheels because we can. And now let's come down into object mode. Let's find a nice view of the car. Because I've still got a camera in the scene, I can go Control Alt Numpad 0. Lovely. Let's select our camera, come into the camera settings, change perspective to panoramic, equal solenoid lens. Let's go 50. How's that looking? Let's rotate that on the Z a little bit. And while we're at it, I don't know what that was. Let's go Z down to bring it lower. We've got a tulip in the way, which is slightly annoying. Let's just go like so. Nice. Let's go into a depth of field, add that, click the car. Let's go maybe 1.8. Let's press F12 and hope for the best. So yeah, that was pretty easy. Botaniq and the Traffiq add-on. Go check it out. Link in the description. And subscribe.